Hello, my name is Katie, and in the next series of videos I'll be demonstrating strategies to use different pieces of equipment, and all of the equipment that I will be using is often available through the ALSA Association of Massachusetts and their equipment loan closet. So if the equipment is something that you think may be helpful for you, then I encourage you to reach out to them to see if they do have it available for you. And the information provided in the videos by no means replaces any medical advice, and if you are interested in using any of the equipment, we recommend that you reach out to your physician, your physical and occupational therapist, to make sure that that equipment is the right equipment for you, the safest equipment for you, and then for them to arrange for you to have appropriate training to make sure that you're using it correctly in a way that minimizes any risk of injury to you or those helping you. But we hope you find them helpful, and thank you very much for watching. This is a gait belt, and we recommend gait belts for people who are having someone else help them with transfers or with their balance while they're walking. And what it is it gives someone something else to grab onto, so they don't need to grab onto you or your clothing if they're helping you. And I like this one because it has a lot of handles on it, so there are a lot of options of something to grab. The key to using a gait belt is to have it very, very tight, really as tight as you can get it without causing any pain. And if you're working with a feeding tube, you may have to put some padding there so that you're not pressing right into it. I've seen people put a towel there to go over it. I would definitely talk with a nurse or have a PT help you figure out how to navigate a feeding tube if you have it. If you have the gait belt below the feeding tube and it slides up, it can definitely catch that tube and pull it out. So definitely talk with your team to figure out the best way for you to use a gait belt, especially if you have a feeding tube. But you want to get it nice and snug. And the idea is, now if someone's helping me and they go to pull on this, it's not going anywhere. It's not sliding up. Instead, they're actually helping me with my movements. Where if I loosen the belt, even just a little bit, and then they go to pull on it, it's coming up. This is not going to help us in any way. If I'm expecting it to help me, it may actually cause a fall because I'm not having the support that I thought I had. So definitely double check, make sure it's not moving, and that it really is as tight as you can get it without causing pain. So you want to make sure you're not pinching anywhere. You may have to check to make sure it's not grabbing skin somewhere, but otherwise they can be very useful.